Hey everyone, welcome back. As you might have seen in the last video or the previous one where I was doing the leather and refinished the hammer, I was working out here. It was kind of a mess. I've had several projects going on out here and not a lot of time to clean up in between. This is kind of an outside enclosed patio area, and when we have the big storms come through, dust and stuff like that comes in, but it's also not good to be out here. So like I said, not a lot of time to clean. It is storm season, but right now I am excited to show you something. It's been something I've been looking for, and it's for my rotary tools. I have two of them, previous projects, that sort of thing, and they come with, a lot of the little accessories and their cases, but the cases suck. They don't work very well. So I've been looking for a specific type of toolbox, and I finally found it. So right now I'm going to grab my rotary tools, which are over here on this bench, get them both inside, get things cleaned up, and I'm going to show you this really cool case I found. Like I said, looking for, it's been at least 3 years that I've been looking for this specific idea I had in my mind of a case that I wanted, and I finally found it. So let's go ahead and get started. So you can see one of the cases here. It does have a bunch of different stuff in it, but there's no place to put all your little accessories and whatnot. They just kind of hang out or in this bin, which is not nice. And the other case I have, which is this one here, it's the same way. The issue is you can't organize, so everything's just clustered together. And if you happen to dump it, which I did on this one, you're sitting there picking up all these little tiny bits and pieces and stuff like that. Then I have stuff that I've purchased, and yeah, it just doesn't fit. They're not nice. So this is what I end up finding. Now, what I was after was something I can put the tools in the bottom or on top, it didn't matter. Put those in and then have little compartments where I can put in all the little accessories, get them separated to what they are and stuff like that. But I wanted it to be able to close so they wouldn't just roll around, fall out, or, if it got dumped upside down, whatever, because stuff happens. So this here opens up like that. This is the handle. And then it slides open. That opens like that. Now when it closes, because there's nothing that really latches it until this comes up and closes it all together. So you can't just open this without opening the whole thing, which is fine. But each one of these little bins can be removed. And same with these ones here. And they do a pretty good job of locking into place. There's little ridges here. And then on the bottom, you have an inset. So if you have it like that, which is how I'm going to have it, then those sit in there. And they don't slide around. And there's a little set here that'll keep it into place as well. So the idea, I'm not going to have these, but I'm going to take my tools. They're going to go in the bottom here, and then everything else is going to be separated on top. So before I dive into this thing, I'm just going to leave those out for now. Go through and get everything out of these crappy mold things or whatever, and get it all separated. And see, it latches on, and now you can't open it. I'll be right back. Alright, separated. I'm going to pull these off of the ones that I need to. I think I'm going to just put some of those where they belong. Change them out wherever I need. Might as well go with that. Most of these are worn down pretty far and just need to be taken off. So, all separate. So now I'm just going to add all of this into here according to what it is. And that's all gone. That was the polishing clay, but yeah, it's long gone, so that's trash. Those can go in there. Now for the tools, I've had this for a while. This is a dual-sided Velcro. See if I can show you that. But it has both sides of it in just bands. So what happens is it sticks to itself. And this is really good for cords and whatnot, for cord management. I'll have a link for this and the toolbox in the description. It will be an affiliate link. So if you do want to pick you up some, you can use that link. It'll help support the channel, but it won't cost you anything more. So just tie that around here. And then take this. So take this and just go like that. And the cord is managed. I think this is going to have to go up here and lose that one, which as of right now I don't need. So, next one, cord wrapped up. And there we go. And last is this one. Which again, take some of this. There we have it. Nice, cleaned up, and ready to go. So, there you have it. Like I said, something I've been looking for several years now. Wanted something to put in the major tools These are just bonus. I really wasn't needing those at all, but a definite organizer up here is what I was after as well. So I can keep all of the components together. Now I have to go through all the different workbench tool, like drawers and stuff, and make sure I do have all my components and get them all in there and organized. But this is going to make things so much easier. I'll know what I need, what I don't have, that sort of thing, and I'll be able to find everything. So I love it. So yeah, like I said, links are in the description. They are affiliate links. If you would like to pick yourself up, you know, this or the Omni Velcro or whatever it's called. No, I'll show you that in the front. This one is specifically Alphatex. They are affiliate links, so it won't cost you anything more, but Amazon does give me a kickback. So there you go. So it helps support other new projects and whatnot. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what you use for your rotary tool slash Dremel kind of thing. And yeah, until next time, stay creative, and I'm going to go out and finish cleaning that patio up for the next project. I'll see you later.